Umentri rangba kejala ukonrat ki sangma ulapli umau nong rem me ka Ropeway halum Shyllong menta ka saw tarik uno pra arjar arposaw. Yakini ka Ropeway ka banya ulum Shyllong Lawsohtun ente ha ka jinglut ka ba shispa hinyop san Klur. Ya umau nong rem lapli da ka President Jongkari India ka Draupadi Murmur ha ka ukala lingkot menta usnam. Kani ka di ka project ka ban krengi kinongwan chungok kai hadin baladep shna ban pet kai na drong ka jing itnat jong ka sor Shyllong. Kumshi benta ka jing sedang umentri rangba ul IT kumba iwe pun san Klur syakariat laban dorbar pelun. Hakini ka sngi la sakhilang umentri ka tanat kam chungok kai uba polling do. U chairman ka Meghalaya Tourism Development Corporation uba san bor shilai bat kiwe.
People to greater heights. This project today of this ropeway is just the beginning. Just last night, after many programs we had all day and all afternoon, we had a very constructive meeting along with the technical partners that are helping us in this project of how we could expand this tourism ropeway and further go into making the ropeway as a model or a mode of urban transportation. So can you imagine having a cable car for public transportation, say from a location like Laimukra Dankiti, going into Barek and going into PB. So therefore you'll be having continuous cabins that will carry people along this line, and obviously we will see the reduction in traffic in that sense. Further, we can imagine if that line goes into Polo, and then further it goes on to other side towards Maulai and to Barabazar, and even from our terminal here in Laban to connect to this urban ropeway. Of course, a very big dream, a very big thought, but as I said, we are here to dream big, we are here to do big things. And therefore, we will start, we may have to start small, but it will be one step at a time because we want to be realistic in the way we move forward. But this is one project that is really something that we want to do. I'm not saying it's going to happen, but we are really desiring to push this forward. Let us hope and see how this particular project moves forward, and then we will work towards seeing how we could make this also a part of urban transport. We feel that it could be one of the best ways for us to give an alternative transport mode to our people. Not an easy project, very complicated, very difficult, and of course expensive, but it will be a game changer in terms of the overall traffic scenario in our city.